welcome to you. Today, we're diving into something pretty fascinating, looking at how artificial intelligence isn't just, making things more efficient,
Right.
but it's actually becoming a creative partner, really reshaping marketing. We've got some great sources on how big brands are using AI in ways that are, well, honestly, pretty cool.
Exactly. And our goal here is to really pull out the key insights from these real-world marketing campaign examples. We want to get into the why behind their success.
Okay.
We'll look at giants like Netflix, Nike, Coca-Cola, see how they're using AI for personalization, creating unique content, interactive stuff that really grabs people. It's a bit of a shortcut for you to get up to speed on this.
Okay, sounds good. Let's jump right in then. How about we start with brand interaction? How's AI changing that?
Well, a great place to start is Netflix.
Ah, yes, the Stranger Things chatbot.
Mm.
Netflix really went for it, didn't they? They built this AI bot called Lbot,
Mm-hmm.
launched it on Facebook Messenger, I think in like 24 countries. But it wasn't just a standard bot, was it? What was the clever part?
Well, the really interesting thing was how they used AI. It wasn't just answering questions. They used advanced natural language processing, NLP,
Right.
to actually mimic the characters. So the AI learned their quirks, their humor, the way they talk. It felt like you were actually chatting with someone from the show, really personal.
And the result.
Yeah.
Did it work?
Oh, absolutely. Fan engagement just shot through the roof. It wasn't just hype. It built like real loyalty, got people even more excited for new
So,
seasons.
so the AI wasn't just info. It was character,
Yeah.
embodiment.
Exactly. It turned passive watching into active interaction. A great example of AI in storytelling scaled up massively.
Okay, so from stories to understanding us, Nike's big on personalization, right? How are they using AI for style recommendations?
Yeah, Nike's approach is really sophisticated. They use machine learning algorithms.
Okay.
These algorithms look at everything your past purchases, what you browse on their site, your stated preferences.
Standard stuff so far.
But then it gets smarter. The AI factors in current fashion trends, the season even, like the weather where you are. It tries to predict what you'll want next.
Before I even know it.
Pretty much.
So what does that kind of deep understanding, that A marketing campaign strategy actually do for Nike and for the customer?
Well, it led to much higher conversion rates, naturally, but also better customer satisfaction. People felt like Nike got them,
I can see that.
which leads to repeat business, stronger brand loyalty. It's not just selling. It feels more like they care, building that relationship.
Makes sense. Okay, so AI gets fashion.
Mm-hmm.
What about something simpler, like a drink? Coca-Cola used AI with their Share a Coke idea, didn't they? For the bottle designs.
They did. They took that already successful campaign and gave it this AI twist. AI-generated art for unique bottle labels. Imagine millions of bottles, each one different.
Millions.
Yeah.
How'd they manage that? That sounds complex.
Well, they used an AI image generation tool, probably some kind of generative AI. It cranked out all these unique, intricate patterns. So buying a Coke wasn't just buying a Coke anymore. It became this kind of interactive thing, finding a design you liked, maybe.
And people definitely shared those, right?
Yeah.
I remember seeing pictures online.
Exactly. It drove sales, sure, but the social media engagement was huge. People showing off their unique bottles. It blended mass production with personalization beautifully. A really effective A marketing campaign, creating that collectible feel.
Very clever. All right, let's shift gears to beauty. Sephora's virtual artist app. That felt like a game changer for online makeup shopping.
Oh, absolutely. It lets you try on makeup virtually. Sounds simple, but the tech behind it is quite something.
What's going on under the hood there?
It's a smart mix of AI tech. You've got facial recognition working with augmented reality, AR.
Okay.
So the app maps your face, then lets you overlay different products, lipstick, eyeshadow in real time, like looking in a digital mirror. Plus, it suggests products based on your skin tone and what you seem to like.
That must give people way more confidence buying online.
Definitely. It significantly boosted confidence, and yeah, that led directly to more sales. People felt more informed, fewer regrets about purchases. It's about empowerment through tech.
Okay, one more for this section. BMW, interactive billboards.
Yeah.
Using AI. How does that even work? That sounds like something out of a movie.
Right. It's pretty innovative for out-of-home ads. BMW used AI, specifically computer vision.
See the cars.
Exactly. The system could detect specific BMW models driving past the billboard.
Seriously?
Yep. And when it spotted one, it would instantly change the message on the billboard to something tailored for that driver. Hyper-personalized right there on the street.
Ooh. That's kind of wild. What was the impact? Did people notice?
They definitely noticed. It created a real buzz, higher engagement. People were surprised, maybe a little delighted. It just showed you can personalize even in these traditionally static ad spaces. Turned a passive glance into an active wow moment. A bold A marketing campaign for sure.
Okay, we need to take a quick break. We'll be right back with more examples.
Quick break. AI marketing is transforming how we do business. If you're still writing every ad by hand and guessing what works, you're falling behind. AI helps you work faster, smarter, and get better results without the burnout. Curious how to use it in your business? Click the link below to learn more about AI marketing. It might be the smartest click you make today.
Welcome back. We're continuing our deep dive into how AI is shaking up marketing. Before the break, we saw some amazing examples, from chatbots to billboards.
And we've got more. Let's talk about something that's practically a yearly event now.
Yeah, you must mean Spotify Rap.
Exactly. It's become this huge cultural moment, hasn't it? And it's a brilliant, creative use of AI.
How so? What's the AI doing there?
Well, Spotify's AI analyzes everything you listen to all year, all your songs, artists, genres, habits. And then it spins that data into these personalized, shareable stories, your top songs playlist, your listening personality. It's unique to you. And the key is they make it super easy and appealing to share on social media.
Oh yeah, my feed is full of it every December. It works.
Totally. It strengthens that emotional connection people have with Spotify. It makes your data feel fun, personal, nostalgic even. Drives massive social buzz and loyalty. It's genius, really turning data into shareable social currency.
Masterclass, indeed. Okay, from super personalized music data to something maybe a bit weirder. Burger King used AI to generate ads. That sounds unpredictable.
It was definitely unpredictable and kind of humorous. What they did was feed the AI things like creative briefs, but also scripts from their successful past ads.
Okay, so giving it some BK flavor.
Right. And the AI came up with ad copy that was, well, quirky. Sometimes it didn't make a ton of sense, but it was always attention-grabbing because it felt so different, so unexpected.
Did people respond well to weird AI ads?
They did. The ads went viral. People talked about them online. It generated a lot of buzz and boosted brand awareness. It just shows that sometimes embracing the slightly absurd side of AI and not being afraid to experiment can really pay off in getting attention. A memorable, if unconventional, A marketing campaign.
Interesting tactic. Okay, let's talk practical help.
Yeah.
The North Face. They used IBM's Watson for an AI shopping assistant. How did that work?
Yeah, this tackled the challenge of buying technical gear online. How do you know you're getting the right jacket, right? So the AI assistant uses really good natural language processing. It asks you questions like a helpful salesperson would.
Like what?
Like, what are you using it for? Hiking, skiing, where are you going? What's the weather like there? Based on your answers, it suggests specific products, really tailored advice.
That sounds incredibly useful. Did it help sales?
It did. It made online shopping feel much more intuitive, less overwhelming, led to higher conversions because people felt more confident they were choosing the right thing. Basically, a super knowledgeable expert available 24/7, better customer satisfaction too.
I guess reducing that buying friction. Okay, another creative one, Heinz. Using AI for ketchup labels. You wouldn't think ketchup needs an AI refresh.
Well, it was part of a campaign to freshen up the brand image. And the AI wasn't just random.
Nope.
No, it apparently analyzed old Heinz designs, looked at customer feedback, even cultural trends. Then it generated labels that felt new but still recognizably Heinz, kind of blending innovation with that classic heritage feel.
So it's AI understanding brand legacy.
Sort of, yeah. A clever mix. And the unique designs got people talking, created buzz, renewed interest. It showed even iconic brands can use AI for a creative little boost.
Fascinating. Okay, last one, and this one feels like a big leap. Lexus.
Yeah.
An AI-directed car commercial. Not just scripted, but directed.
Exactly. This really pushes the boundary of AI's creative role. It wasn't just about generating text.
So what did the AI actually do?
Well, first, it studied hundreds of award-winning car ads. Like, it learned what makes them effective, the storytelling, the emotional beats, the visuals.
Okay, deep learning.
Then it generated a script designed to have that compelling narrative and emotional pull. But crucially, it also had input on the direction, suggesting impactful shots, camera angles, pacing.
Wow. AI as director. How did it turn out? Was it good?
It definitely demonstrated AI's potential in visual storytelling. It got a lot of buzz, less for the car maybe, and more for the process itself.
Yeah.
It positioned Lexus as really forward-thinking, pushing creative tech boundaries. It made people think differently about what an A marketing campaign could even be. Truly groundbreaking stuff.
Okay, we've covered a lot of ground, seen so many different applications. If we had to boil it down, how would you define an A marketing campaign? What is it, fundamentally?
Fundamentally, an A marketing campaign uses artificial intelligence tech to do things like automate marketing tasks, personalize messages, or just generally enhance the effort.
Okay.
So that could be chatbots like we saw, AI writing content, systems predicting what you'll buy, dynamic pricing, lots of things. The main goal is always to deliver smarter, more relevant, more engaging experiences for the customer, usually at a scale humans couldn't manage alone.
Right, that scale and personalization combo seems key. So, based on these successes, what makes one of these campaigns truly work? What are the ingredients for a successful A marketing campaign?
That's a great question. I think the best ones blend creativity with that smart, data-driven personalization we talked about. They're not just tech for tech's sake.
Mhm.
They usually solve a real customer need or create a really memorable, maybe interactive experience. And crucially, they use AI to amplify the brand's voice, its personality, not replace it entirely.
So, keeping the human touch.
Exactly. The most effective campaigns still feel human, relevant, maybe even surprising or delightful, even with all that complex tech running underneath.
That makes a lot of sense. But it can't all be smooth sailing.
Yeah.
What are some of the big challenges or, things brands really need to watch out for when they jump into using AI in marketing?
Oh, absolutely. There are definite pitfalls. Probably the biggest one is data quality and bias.
How so?
Well, AI learns from data. If the data you feed it is bad, incomplete, or reflects historical biases,
Yeah.
your AI will learn those biases.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Precisely. That can lead to campaigns that are irrelevant, ineffective, or worse, actually unfair or discriminatory. That can seriously damage trust.
Okay, data quality is critical. Anything else?
Privacy. It's huge. There's a fine line between helpful personalization and creepy surveillance, right?
Yes.
Brands have to be transparent about how customer data is used. They need to comply with all the privacy regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and they need to find that balance using AI to be helpful without making people feel uncomfortable. Getting that wrong erodes trust very quickly.
So data integrity and ethical use, respecting privacy, those seem paramount.
Quick break. AI marketing is transforming how we do business. If you're still writing every ad by hand and guessing what works, you're falling behind. AI helps you work faster, smarter, and get better results without the burnout. Curious how to use it in your business? Click the link below to learn more about AI marketing. It might be the smartest click you make today.
We've covered so much today, journeying through these really diverse and quite ingenious marketing campaigns.
Yeah.
It really feels like AI is moving beyond just being a tool and becoming a core part of how brands create and connect.
Absolutely. These examples really drive home that AI in marketing isn't just about efficiency gains. It's becoming a source of genuine imagination.
Yeah.
Brands are using it to push creative limits, build much deeper connections with people, and basically setting a whole new bar for what engaging marketing looks like. The landscape is definitely changing fast.
It really is. So, thinking about everything we've discussed today, here's a final thought for you, our listener, to chew on. Given what we've unpacked, how do you imagine AI might reshape the very essence of how brands interact with us in, say, the next 5 years? And as every 8A marketing campaign gets more sophisticated, what ethical considerations do you think will become the most critical to navigate?